I'm making a new plan, rearranging my I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Miriam. Welcome to my channel. So guys, today we're in the restaurant called the Council Restaurant, and today is see what 50 cedi will get you in Ghana restaurant. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So guys, I ordered the Ghanaian jollof and beef. It comes with salad and fried plantain. For the drink, I ordered pineapple drink. You guys already saw that.
See clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the patient lasts.
Guys, they brought the food so fast. Before I could drop my phone down, the food was already here. And guys, the food looks exactly as I saw it in the menu. It was not looking different when they brought it. I love that about this restaurant. I really love that. So guys, for my food cost 50 cedis, while my friend's food also costs 50 cedis. I was so impressed with the food because I was expecting something low, but I'm impressed. For the drink cost 6 cedi each, so that's very nice. The prices were so nice.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along.
So guys, to rate this food, I'm rating it 9 out of 10. I enjoyed the rice. It was so tasty. The meat was so tasty. And their customer service so friendly. Guys, another thing that made me to enjoy this place is because of their pocket-friendly prices. Like, everything is so affordable. You can just come here, have a nice food with a decent amount. That's what I paid for everything. I paid 145 cedi. You can imagine, so affordable. So So guys, that's all for this video. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? That subscription is free. Just subscribe to my channel. Guys, I even inserted pictures I took so you guys will see. Long time no pictures. See my picture here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan. Rearrange